comes to toolbars, BricsCAD lets you change a lot of aspects of them. The simplest one is to right-click a toolbar, choose toolbar size, and then the size. So I've got the small icons shown there. This is what it's like for large icons, which is for very high resolution screens. And then for extra large icons is for extremely high resolution screens like 4K monitors. To add and remove toolbars, you right-click any toolbar, choose BricsCAD, and then choose from the long list of toolbar names that you see there. The list is so long you'll have to scroll down all the way down to the bottom to see them all. Well, once you select one, such as this one, it appears, and if it's a floating toolbar, you can drag it around to anywhere else and even dock it on the screen like this. When you want to get rid of it, drag it away and press the X. If you don't want people messing around with how you've got your toolbars arranged, you can click this button here and it locks the user interface. So now when I try to move a toolbar, it doesn't happen. There is an override, temporary override. Hold down the control key, then you can move the toolbar. To make a new toolbar or modify an existing one, you do that through the Customize dialog box. Easiest way to get there is to right-click any existing toolbar and then choose Customize from the shortcut menu. When you do, the Customize dialog box opens and you can see all the different aspects of BricsCAD that can be customized through it. We want toolbars, so we'll click on that tab. First thing you see is a list of names, and these are all the toolbars that are available right now in BricsCAD. And next to each one is a little plus sign. And you click on that, then it opens up to show you the names of the buttons. So for example, the first one is Q New. And if we look over here on the standard toolbar, there's the Q New button there. Same for open, open, save, save. And then this vertical bar is shown by that horizontal bar. Changing the way a toolbar looks is all done with right-click menus. So if I right-click Q New, it says Insert Tool, Control, Flyout, Separator, or Delete it. Delete it, and of course, is how you get rid of a button. Insert Tool is a fancy word just for adding another button. Insert Control is a drop-down menu, such as these ones up along here. Insert a Flyout is a sub-menu, and you can see one of those here with the zoom command. And then Insert Separator is that horizontal or vertical line. So I'm going to click Insert Tool, and it says select from available tools or create a new one. Well, we're going to take from an existing tool, and that's a fancy word for existing toolbar button. So let's look under File, and I think I will choose the Save As button. It now appears in there. It's that simple. And if you want to change its location on the toolbar, just drag it along. So I've dragged it down to here to put it next to the Save button. Click OK, and let's take a look at our new toolbar. There's the new Save As button. Just like you can add and remove buttons, you can add and remove entire toolbars. And that's also done with right-click menus. When I right-click the word Standard, you can see Insert Toolbar, Delete Toolbar, which I would never ever do. And then these are the same as before, where appending is adding on a button, a control, a flyout, or the separator. When you click Insert Toolbar, it asks you for a name. I'll just call it New Toolbar. Click OK, and there it is there. And now you can add tools to it. So I'll just grab one at random and then click OK, and there's our new toolbar with the single solitary button. What happens when you click a button on a toolbar is that it actually runs a simple program called a macro. Let's take a look at what these macros are like. So I'm going to go back into the Customize dialog box. So there's our new toolbar, and there's the coincident button that I added. Now if we come down here, you'll see that this is the command here that's being run. Looks a little mysterious. The first two letters are called "C." That cancels a previous command, and there's always two in a row because the command might be a couple of options deep. And then the underscore internationalizes the command, so it doesn't matter which language of BricsCAD you're using, the English version of the command will work, and then the name of the command itself. Now you can change them. Now you can add more commands to it, such as 2 commands in a row. All you do there is you type a semicolon. That's like pressing the enter key to continue the command, and then you put in the rest of the code. Now what you put next varies greatly by the type of command, and that's beyond what this video can cover.